To go to the Google Drive, open the Google Apps from your Gmail dashboard and click Drive. Here you can see the home view of Google Drive. To upload a file, click on the New button and click File Upload. Select the file that you want to upload from your PC. Here your file is uploaded. When you select any file, these options will appear, through which you can move, copy, rename or download the file that you have selected. You can also view details of that file. Now we will learn how to get shareable link of the particular file or folder. For that you need to select the file and click on this icon. After that a pop-up will open. From here you can copy the link of the file, but remember, if restricted option is selected, only people added by you will be able to access the file with the help of link. And if you want to grant access to everyone, you have to select the option anyone with link. Now you can change the status of the downloadable link to viewer, commenter or editor. If you select viewer option, link holder will only be able to download the file, not edit or comment on it. After selecting the status, you can copy the link and click done. That's it. Now you can share this link to anyone and anywhere. Thank you for watching the video.